Hi, Hari. When did you get here from
Hey,
Bangalore?
hi, Jan. How are you?
I'm fine, Hari. Thank you.
Well, I'm carrying on walking and...
Oh,
Hey, what happened? What's wrong? Come, sit down, sit down. Have you had this kind of pain before? Pain in the chest?
yes, Hari. I've been having this pain every time I go for a walk. I had consulted with my family doctor, and he said it could be angina. He asked me to meet a cardiologist.
Did you meet a cardiologist?
No, Hari. I haven't found the time for it. I'm on the lookout for the best hospital.
You know, it's coincidental that we are having a conversation today. Last month I was here for my daughter's wedding. Immediately after the function, next day I had a heart attack and I was taken to Frontier Lifeline Hospital. The timely treatment saved my life. You should not ignore such symptoms at all, Jane.
Thank you very much, Hari. Just give me the number. I'll contact the cardiologist immediately.
You should fix up an appointment and get your treatment done immediately.
Okay, Hari. I will do that right away.
Do you have any ailments like diabetes, hypertension, asthma in the past?
Yes, doctor, I do have high BP and diabetes for the last 2 years.
Do you smoke or consume alcohol?
Yes, I do smoke, but I don't drink, doctor.
Does anybody else in your family suffer from heart ailments?
Yes, doctor, my father had died of a heart attack.
Your doctor was right. Your symptoms are suggestive of angina. So we'll run in a couple of tests like ECG, echo, and TMT on you.
What is TMT, doctor?
TMT essentially we make you walk on a treadmill and monitor your ECG, BP, and ECG tracing during the test.
Okay, doctor. Good morning, doctor.
So going through your treadmill test shows that you've not walked much. This shows significant ECG changes while you're walking on the treadmill, and also that you had to stop the treadmill because of discomfort. So that suggests that you could have lesions, so we need to subject you to another test called angiogram after this.
What is angiogram, doctor? Is it an operation? Will it be painful?
No, not really. It's a very simple test. We give you some local anesthesia, either in the groin, that's the leg area, or in the wrist. We'll pass in a catheter, it's a small tube, elastic tube that reaches through the blood vessels of the heart, and we'll be injecting some dye at the coronary arteries. And it's an extended X-ray light. Special cameras are taken and we'll use to take these pictures. And that will let us know where these blocks are. We've reviewed your angiogram. One of the important vessels is called the left anterior descending artery, or LAD we call it, has a 90% block. The good thing is the other two vessels are normal. So we need to address this block.
How can the block be removed, doctor? Does it require surgery or just medications will do?
See, medicines alone might not be sufficient. The good thing is you won't require surgery because the other two vessels are normal. And this LAD block can be removed by a procedure called angioplasty.
What is angioplasty, doctor?
Angioplasty is kind of similar to the procedure that you underwent in the angiogram. It's essentially an extension of that. Basically, we'll be passing the catheter similar like how you underwent angiogram, either through the wrist or the groin. And beyond that, we'll be taking a very thin wire beyond the block. And after that, we'll take in a balloon and dilate the block portion so that it creates space. And after that, we take in a stent and deploy it there and remove the wires and the balloon. That will keep the artery open.
How long will the procedure take, doctor, and when can I get back to work?
So like I was telling you, the angioplasty is an extension of angiogram. So the angiogram took 7-10 minutes for you. The angioplasty would last 30 to 40 minutes. You would need 6 to 8 hours of bed rest after that, and then you should be headed home in a day or two. And you can get back to work after a week.
The incidence of coronary artery disease is on a rise all over the world. This is because of our diet modifications and the lifestyle changes what we are leading nowadays. The patients with a coronary artery disease either can present with chest pain, which we call angina, or they come acutely as a heart attack to the coronary care unit of the hospital. The investigation which we usually do to find out the coronary artery disease is known as coronary angiography. Once the diagnosis has been made, Based on the number and size of blocks, the patient can either undergo a transcatheter procedure, which is a procedure without surgery, which we call coronary angioplasty. Or if the number of blocks are more or the disease is more severe, the patient has to undergo an operation which is known as coronary artery bypass surgery. The bypass surgery can be performed in two ways. One is either without putting the patient on cardiopulmonary bypass, which is known as off-pump coronary artery bypass surgery. Or the second way it can be done is by stopping the heart for a short period of time while the patient is supported by the pump. And we do the bypass operation by using an artery inside the chest and some veins from the leg. After the procedure, the patients are usually shifted to the ICU where they stay for 1 or 2 days depending upon the recovery of the patient, following which they are shifted to the ward.
Good morning, Mr. Jain.
Good morning, doctor. Fine, doctor.
Looks like you can get the start today. There's a couple of instructions that you need to follow after we discharge.
Sure, tell me, doctor. I'll make sure that I follow your advice.
See, you need to quit smoking. Tobacco in any form is bad. And you should be very regular on the medication that we give you. Regarding your diet, you should be cutting down your sugar and fat. Regarding your physical activity, you can start your walking from tomorrow. All other activities from a week from now.
Thank you very much, doctor. I never knew that the treatment of a serious heart problem could be so simple. I'll definitely follow your instructions and take care of my heart too, doctor.